Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making some Rundung, and Rundung is a dish in Jamaica, and I will be using some salt mackerel and red herring that I've already washed, boiled and deboned, and also I am using coconut milk. And listen guys, you can't make Rundung without using coconut milk. So either you're gonna use the one in the can or you use the one from the husk. Also, I have some black pepper and some pimento seed that I crushed, and I have some vegetables that I chopped, and I will list all the vegetables that I'm using in the description box below. So make sure to go down in the description box and check out all the vegetables that I will be using in this dish. I went ahead and I add the coconut milk to my pot, and I am leaving this to sit and cook for a little. After which I am going to add some of my vegetables, not all of them, because I want to add some flavor to this coconut milk while it is cooking. And you want to make sure to cook your coconut milk because you don't want to have the runs. So make sure to cook your coconut milk. Okay, guys? After a period of time, your liquid will start thickening, and around the edges of your pot, you'll see the custard from the coconut start forming. So at this point, I will add the rest of my vegetables and the salt mackerel, the red herring, as well as the pimento seed and the black pepper, and also a dash of all-purpose seasoning. And I will leave this to sit and cook some more so that it can thicken some more. So watch carefully how I progress with this dish. So this is my version of rundown. You can have it with boiled bananas, boiled dumplings, yams, or anything of your choice. So make sure to try this dish and like, comment, share, subscribe, and cook with love always.